For more than 250 years, Japan had been isolated from the world. The ruling Tokugawa shogunate kept foreign influence out, banning trade and new ideas. But as the world modernized, Japan fell behind. That all changed when Emperor Meiji took the throne. At first, Meiji was just a figurehead. The real power still lay with the samurai lords. But in 1868, he shocked the nation by declaring the Meiji Restoration, an era of transformation where he would take full control and modernize Japan. His first move, he ended the samurai's rule and took power back for the emperor. This had never been done before. But Meiji didn't stop there. He abolished the feudal system and introduced Western-style reforms. He encouraged factories, railroads, and schools to be built across Japan. Under his rule, Japan created a modern army and navy, following European models. The country quickly caught up with the West, becoming a global power in just a few decades. One of the biggest changes, dressing like a Westerner. Meiji swapped his traditional robes for a suit and military uniform. He even cut his hair short, a huge break from the past. People were shocked, but it was a symbol of the new Japan. By the 1890s, Japan had become so powerful that it defeated China in the First Sino-Japanese War. A decade later, Japan stunned the world by defeating Russia in the Russo-Japanese War, becoming the first Asian country to defeat a European power. Through bold reforms, military strength, and a vision for progress, Emperor Meiji transformed Japan from a feudal society into a modern world power. Emperor Meiji is remembered as the leader who brought Japan into the modern age. His bold choices ended centuries of isolation and turned Japan into an economic and military powerhouse. His story proves that with the right vision and courage, even centuries-old traditions can be transformed into a brighter future.